What's the difference? This is the big difference right here. GCKey account application, this type of application is applicable for first-time applicants who have no active US visa or a Canada visa issued in the past 10 years. This application has a detailed list of documents to be uploaded. The list include but not limited to scanned copy of passports, scanned copy of all visas and stamps, scanned copy of photo, scanned copy of proof of employment, business, ITR, business permit, SEC, DTI, etc. Scanned copy of proof of relationship, birth certificate, marriage, uploading of application form, and family information, and so on. For you na wala pa naka-experience o GCKey, mao ni ako ang ginaingon na it is also important for you to know the GCKey procedure. Yung mga naka-GCKey na or the people who are used to the GCKey procedure, pansit na lang kaayo ang IRCC portal. Pero this is the basic magod. Mo gini ang una, mo ni ang original process. Lately lang nila gi-add ang portal. So today, this afternoon, I will be showing you on how to do it. Kasi ang pinakalisod when you are doing it for the first time is kung sa'yo na akong hubuon, ang taas o ang baba. Anyway, the most difficult part if you're doing it for the first time is asa ta magsugod, unsa nga website atong agtuan. Naabay taga Infinity. Taga Infinity. Kay Ma'am Jenny, taglo. Si Ma'am Jenny one time, i-share lang ako si Ma'am Jenny one time, nag-apply yung ETA para sa iyahang PAX. Mali bitaw ng website niya iyahang naagtuan. And then, nag-upload na siya ba? Then finally, niabot siya sa point nga, duda na siya, ipakutana ko niya, tama ba niya akong website? So, mo nang lisod pag you're doing it for the first time, kasi daghan kaayo og websites ang nag-offer og Canada visa, so we have to be careful. So, this afternoon, I will show you everything para dili gyud mo masaag. Okay? So, mo na siya ang GCKey. So, the intricate and detailed required documents to be uploaded is ideal to paint a complete picture of the status of the applicant. This will ensure that thorough review of the applicant's capacity to travel and be allowed to visit Canada is in place. You can also upload other documents not required but essential for the positive outcome of the application. So, dito mangod sa IRCC, very detailed list of requirements. Kabalugid ka kung unsa gid imong pangayoon sa pasahero, kabalugid ka nga katugid imo ang i-upload because mao gid ang need na makita or mahibal-an ni Canada Embassy. Unlike sa IRCC portal, others lang na dito eh. So kung naa kay malimtan, kay wala sa listahan, naa ka malimtan